Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll guide you, step by step, on how to transfer Worldcoin to MetaMask. This process allows you to move your tokens from the World app into your MetaMask wallet for more flexibility and control. Let's get started. First, open your MetaMask wallet. Make sure MetaMask is installed on your browser or phone, and log in with your password or biometric authentication. Next, add the Worldcoin token if it's not already listed. Go to Import Tokens, paste the official Worldcoin contract address, and confirm. This ensures your MetaMask wallet can display your WLD balance once transferred. Then, open your World app. Log in and go to your wallet section where your Worldcoin balance is displayed. After that, choose the option to send. Enter the amount of Worldcoin you want to transfer and paste your MetaMask wallet address as the recipient. Double-check the address carefully to avoid mistakes. Next, review the transaction details. Check the amount, network fees, and wallet address. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Finally, verify the funds in MetaMask. After the blockchain confirms the transaction, open MetaMask and check your wallet. You should now see your Worldcoin tokens reflected in your balance. Quick tips. Always copy and paste your MetaMask address to prevent errors. Make sure the network you're using in World app matches the one in MetaMask. Start with a small test transfer if it's your first time. Transferring Worldcoin to MetaMask is safe and easy when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.